Hey there, and thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a fun one. We are organizing my kitchen pantry, and you guys are in for a treat because it looks absolutely terrible. When I first moved in, I kind of just placed things how I wanted to, but I didn't really organize or declutter anything. So the pantry is an utter nightmare. In fact, let me roll the clips because you're not going to believe what it looks like. So I got some new goodies from my favorite store, the Container Store, and also Target, and I went to Home Goods, I believe, and I got a couple of things from there as well. So the next thing I like to do is just pull out one shelf at a time and go through all of the items, see what needs to go in a container, and see what needs to be thrown away. You'll never really realize how much stuff you have tucked away in a really tiny corner of your pantry unless you take everything out. All right, everything from the shelf is out. It doesn't look like a lot anymore now that it's all out of the pantry, but I definitely see areas where I can consolidate. So I have some stuff in these Rubbermaid containers that I absolutely love. If you feel like the OXOs are a little bit too expensive for you, the Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are amazing. I still love them and I would highly recommend them.
Said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right.
Another thing I love is storing all of the cereal in these cereal containers. I feel like it keeps it fresh and you don't have a ton of boxes in your pantry. Another thing that's important is really just trying different types of containers that will fit best in your pantry. Since my pantry is on the smaller side, I feel like a mixture of these clear acrylic ones from the Container Store and the gray Y-woven baskets from Target work the best. The most satisfying shelf of all was my sauces shelf. It has both chips and snacks as well as canned goods, and that whole shelf was just a mess of stuff. Whenever sauces are on sale, we'll pick up one or two or three, and so the whole shelf was just filled of random sauces, and it definitely needed a container to go into.
Let's just take our time, dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building can't.
All right, it's the next day, and I am tackling the bottom half of this shelf. And this shelf has our sodas, our protein powders, and there were a lot of things that needed to be thrown out. So I'm going to start by just dusting and mopping the floor, get rid of any kind of oil that accidentally spilled out. And now it's time to organize.
We were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
These large baskets are perfect to store paper towels, any kind of bags, trash bags, sandwich bags, freezer bags, and they're really easy to pick up and take out if you need them. I'm really excited. In the next couple of days, I'll be filming a deep clean with me, and I'm really excited to tackle this kitchen. Let me know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next from me.
I wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think.
And the last thing I'm organizing is the baking shelf. I'm taking all of the bags of chocolate and putting them in these OXO containers. It makes it really handy when you need to use them for cookies or anything like that. And I love to store any of the dry goods in these OXO containers as well.
Strangers again.
All right, the pantry looks so good. Quentin thinks it looks similar, but I think it looks so much neater and easier to just go and find what you need. So let me take you through, starting with the bottom. We have our beer down here and some vinegars. This is my cleaning baking soda, so it's down on the floor in here. Some sodas, it's pretty empty, and I have my collagen powder here. Some paper towels, trash bags, and any kind of bags we need here. The next row is all of our sauces and canned goods. So I'm gonna order some more of those can organizers to put here. That way we can utilize more space. We have our sauces, our oils, all of the hot sauces and dressings and salsas that we use quite frequently. The next row is all of our pastas and ramen. On this shelf is our breakfasty items and snacky bits. On this shelf here has all of the baking goods. The top part is what I call my overflow, and then there's an extra space here for anything that we'll need. But overall, I think the pantry looks so good, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
This is who we are, and I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again.